Award. Jillian, now it's time to make a wish. We wish you all the best. From all of us here tonight, your family, friends, and fans, we wish you nothing but love, success, and more incredible years ahead. Happy, happy birthday and congratulations on 15 years in show business. You may now blow your candle, Jillian. Of course, we cannot end the night without hearing kind words from you. What do you have to say? Come here, Jillian, here in front. What do you have to say to all of your guests here tonight na talaga namang full force just to celebrate this important day with you? Go ahead.
Thank you so much po sa paglaan ng time. Kahit sobrang traffic kanina, grabe. Thank you po sa pagpunta. Thank you dahil I thank God every day na na-meet po kayong lahat ng nasa kwentong to. Sobrang grateful ko po para sa inyong lahat, sa mga naka-work ko, sa mga friends ko rin outside of showbiz, sa family ko, ayan, kay mama, kay papa, mga kapatid ko. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much sa pagpunta. And of course, sa GMA Network family ko and Sparkle kasi 15th anniversary ko po this year sa show business. So thank you po sa tiwala. I don't know what else to say, pero ayun lang po, maraming salamat. God bless you all and mag-enjoy na tayo tonight!